The Library Quick Guide to Searching for a Textbook. Book search. When you do a basic search, it can return a lot of results. But if you want to find a textbook to take out on loan, you need to limit your search by choosing some extra headings. As you want a textbook, change the search by going to the top left of the search page and clicking the Everything drop-down menu, and then click Library Search and click the search button again. This will change the results to show only items in one of the campus libraries. You want to find a book on the campus you're based at most often, so on the top left of the page, click the More link to get a full list. We'll click on Rose Campus for this example. The search results will change again and will show items available in Rose Campus libraries. When you see something relevant, click on the title of the book to find out more. The screen will change again and it will give you the full book details of title, author, year and ISBN. And if you scroll down further, you can see where the book is available. You can see which library has a copy and the barcode number and the shelf number, and you'll need that to find it when you're in the library. You can also see how long you can take it out for and if it's in stock or if it's on loan. If you need more library resources and help, there are a few things you can do. You can go to the library YouTube channel and see more how-to videos. You can use the study guides in Moodle or the guides on the new Google Sites portal. You can email the library team at libraryrose@gllm.ac.uk, or you can send us a message on Twitter @Clondrichlolib.